There you go.
We take pictures.
Where'd you get that at? I'm sweating. Hey, where'd you get that at?
No, you Derek. Get back, man. There you go. What if he did it? Oh my God.
I know how to do it.
Hold on.
Oh, they're doing the same thing themselves. Their defense is like, what the
Pass complete to Dylan Hunter for the two-point conversion. There's a flag on the play. False start called against Hurricane.
Oh yeah, this is the battery.
Redskins! Let's go, Redskins! Let's go, Redskins! Redskins says we want to see you stomp and shake it. And shake it. Redskins says we want to see you stomp. Go Reds! Stomp and shake it.
Yeah.
Fine. Victory! Victory! Oh, victory!
Tyler Clendenin once again the ball carrier.
A little bit rowdy.
Rock down behind the line of scrimmage.
Rowdy. Let's get
By
rowdy.
Oh my.
Get that Redskin spirit. Yes, let's hear it. Get that Redskin spirit. Yes, let's hear it. Get that Redskin.
Tyler Clendenin the ball
Down
carrier.
again.
By Ryan Piper. And Sean Kersey on that last
There you
shot.
go,